In this video, we will see variable. In Python, a variable is a name that you assign to an object by using the equal sign. Now, question is raising on your thinking mind is about what is object. In Python, everything is an object, including number, string, function, class, and everything. So here you can see here there is a max1 variable equal to 3. Max1 is a variable, 3 is a value. Okay. Notice it is made up of alphanumeric character which are not in quotes. The assignment operator assign a value to a variable. Here the value 3 is assigned to container. If you type max1, the value held in variable will be printed out to screen, which is 3. Now we will see variable nomenclature. For variable nomenclature, you will have to keep only 2 points in your mind. First one, variable can be alphanumeric and underscore, and second one, variable can only start with alpha and underscore. Now we will see id function. Id function returns the identity of the object. I have done some code here. Print id 5 and create integer object with value 10 assigned to variable A, and variable B will also point to the same location where A is pointing. B and A refer to same object here. So I'm just going to execute this code. You can see here for B and A we are getting a same identifier because B and A refer to same object. So id function gives the id of the object, not id of variable. So when we are print id of A and B means you are actually print the id of the object. In Python, literals are stored at same location if we have a same value. Now we will see variable memory concept. A variable is a container, is having a name which is used to store a value. When we assign value to variable, at the same moment memory location is created. It is reserved memory location to store value. Here on cell, I defined one variable p is equal to 30. Then I used id function. Id function returns the identity of the object. The identity of the object is an integer. Then after I'm using hexadecimal function, that is a hex function, and you can see here this your memory address of the variable. Here we will see update variable. Variable name1, name2, name3, and I assigned apple, grape, and orange respectively to these variables. In Python, it's possible to assign a value to a variable using the value in another variable. So I'm just going to take name3 is equal to name1 and print name1, name2, and name3. The value held in name1 and assign that value to the name3 variable. If you print out, you will see that name3 contain the value apple, same as name1. It is important here to note that name3 and name1 are both different containers containing the same value apple. Let's see keyword topic. Keywords are reserved words and predefined words. They cannot be used as variable names as their meaning is already reserved. In Python, there are total 33 keywords. Out of 33, first letter of true, false, and none keyword is capital. Rest 30 keywords are in small letter. So you can see here how to get all these 33 keywords. You have to just import keyword and then after print keyword.kw and execute. You will get all these 33 keywords here.